want to welcome you this morning to this portal, Bethlehem Group of Schools e-learning platform. The subject, Government SS1, and those serving as revision course for those preparing for SSCE, SS3 students. The topic of our today is a continuation of what we started the previous class, and that's pressure group. We remember that we said pressure group refers to a group of people having similar interests, coming together to influence government policy for the betterment of its members. A group of people coming together, with similar interests that came together to influence government policies for the betterment of its people. Also understand, we said the different types of pressure group that we had. We had the economic pressure group, such as the National Association of Chamber of Commerce, Industry, Man and Agriculture. Remember, we also said we have the educational pressure group, the ASU, and so on and so forth. Remember, we also said we have the occupational pressure groups such as the Nigerian Medical Association or the Nigeria Bar Association, and so on and so forth, the NUT. We also talked about the social pressure group, religious pressure group. Today, what we are talking about is the mode of operation of this pressure group. How does pressure group, what do they do to achieve their purpose? That's the shots we are discussing today. The first one, pressure group adopt the method, the mode of operation of lobbying. And I see that lobbying as another word for influencing. They do all they can to assess the government. Those are the corridor of power, to influence them, okay, to encourage them to work for the interest of its members. So the pressure group achieve its purpose through the use and the employment, the application of lobbying. They lobby, all right, the government, and those are the aim of affair. Number two, they use ultimatum. The ultimatum. The pressure group tells the government, based on the facts that is on ground, they tell the government, we are giving you, government, so and so period of time, on which failure to meet the need of our members, we may stop work, we may go on strike, we may close down production. All right? So that period of time given to the government, like threats or telling the government to do something, otherwise they will do what we call boycotting of production process. That is ultimatum, specific period of time with which government must act, otherwise they will avoid production. The government is first doing what the pressure group wants it to do, or want her to do. That is ultimatum. Boycott or strike is another weapon, another mode of operation. When the government fails to carry out or to meet the need of the pressure group members, the pressure group, you see, they are true to the promise they gave to the government, the threat. They stop production. Stopping production, shutting down production, closing the company temporarily because government refuses to meet their need, forces the government to see all it can to rally around to meet the need of these pressure group members and this pressure group as it were. Pressure group also go about using the instruments of consultation. Pressure group consults with government, consult relevant agencies, non-governmental organizations, and relevant bodies. Through the consultation of these ones, they are able to sell their idea, convince these people they are consulting, discuss with them, and from there, these ones join hands with them, cooperate with them to influence government decisions or policies for the betterment of its members. Pressure group does that. And so pressure group also use what we call protest letters. At times, they go about writing to the government their likes and their dislikes about what is on. Okay? And the pressure group also go about applying demonstrations. If need be, they go onto the streets with their members with placards, carrying something like billboard or something like cardboard paper, writing their grievances on them. At the end of the day, they are able to use all this method as part of their mode of operation to make government to meet the need of its members. It could be increment of salary. It could be increment of allowances. It could mean quick payment of salary. It could mean one benefit or the other that the members, that will make the life and the life of the members better. Don't forget, pressure groups that are there for the betterment of the life of its members. This is the little we'll take for now as it concerns pressure group. But before we go, I'd like you to lay your hands on this question. Practice it as a practice exercise, especially for those of us in SS3. SS1, very important, SS3, most important. These are the questions. 1995, question 5. You get the question there. 1998, question 6, SSCE, past question. 2001, question 5. 2004, question 6. 2007, question 8. 2008, question 9. And 2013, question 9. Lay your hands on this. These are all talking about pressure group. You are able to solve this, that means you are understanding the question and then you don't have issues much with the SSC. This is a little we can take for now. Till next time we meet on this platform, I say remain good. Thank you.